Hi, it's me again. This is the last video for section 1.6. Okay, this one is a separate problem. It's got a lot more algebra to solve, so just want to work through it all by itself. Again, what I want you doing is trying these problems on your own. See what you can do by yourself. Just preparing yourself for the quiz test situation. So hit pause. Try this problem on your own, please. All right, I hope it went well. Let's see what happens. The figure is a regular octagon. Find the values of x and y. All right, looking at the given information, it's an octagon. There's 8 sides, but it is regular. That means all the sides are exactly the same. It does mean all the angles are exactly the same. But we're given some information about the sides, so we don't really care about the angles right now. All the sides are equal to each other. So what we're going to do is create a system of equations. You got 4 sides. Okay? You know they're all the same. So just match up, pair them up. I'm going to go with the top one and the one on the right side. They're equal. I'm going to set them equal. 5x minus 4y equals 2x minus 4. Now, I'm going to manipulate this a little bit, try to simplify it. I want to get an equation where I got x's and y's on one side of the equal sign, and on the other side of the equal sign is just a number. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. 3x minus 4y equals a negative 4. Okay, I'm going to keep that. Now I'm going to use the other 2 equations and do the same thing. Just going to set them equal to each other, because they're equal side lengths. 3y minus x plus 8 equals x plus y. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it in the same kind of format as that other equation. All the x's and y's on one side of the equal sign, all the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to minus x and subtract y. So that's going to give us a 2y. When I subtract the x on this side, that's going to be a minus 2x. And I got this plus 8 equals, we've moved everything from the right side of the equal sign. So we're just left with a 0 until we subtract 8. 2y minus 2x equals negative 8. Okay. We've got 2 equations and we got 2 variables. So now to solve this, that's a system of equations. I'm just going to rewrite our 2 equations. Now, I'm going to try to line up the variables. All right, the way I've got them written in the red and the green here, they're not really lined up. This is a positive 2y, so I'm going to put plus 2y. This is a negative 2x there. I'm going to put it as a negative 2x here, and we have that equal to a negative 8. Okay, here is our system of equations that we're going to solve. So, a little bit of algebra review with this. To solve a system of equations, you got several different methods you can use. The easiest way, at least for this problem, is going to be a method called the elimination method. What you want to do with the elimination method is get one of your variables. It doesn't matter if it's the x's or the y's, but you want to get one of your variables to be equal but opposite. So I'm looking at the y terms. I got a negative 4y and I got a positive 2y. They're already opposite, but if I multiply this bottom equation by 2, that's going to give us a negative 4x plus 4y equal to a negative 16. Okay, and I'm just going to rewrite the first equation. Okay, now you can see those y values. They're both 4 y's, but one's positive, one's negative. So what you're going to do, once you have that, one of your variables to be equal and opposite, you just add up those 2 equations, like terms. 3x plus a negative 4x is a negative 1x. Negative 4y plus 4y, that's 0. We've eliminated the y terms, hence the name, elimination method. Bring down the equal sign, we got a negative 4 plus a negative 16. That there is a negative 20. If you divide or multiply both sides by negative 1, what you get is x equals 20. Okay, there's one of our values. It's part of our answer. What we're missing now is the y value. To get the y value, pick one of your two equations. This one's already over here. So plug in the x value. We have 2y minus 2 times x. We just found x to be 20, equal to a negative 8. All right, now we're just solving for y. So 2y minus 40 equals a negative 8. Add 40 to both sides, we get a positive 32. Divide both sides by 2, we get y equals 16. And there's the other part of our answer. Okay, all of that was one problem. It's called systems of equations. When you have this kind of given information, where you've got those two sets of variables, x's and y's, you're looking for those kinds of relationships. I hope you enjoyed that problem. I did. Bye.